Hello, this is our data mining project on advertisement click prediction based on Outbrain data hosted on a Kaggle website. We are using RXL platform as GUI for our project. RXL is very powerful tool to link Excel to R. It is an add-in in Excel which can use to run R directly from Excel without exposing R to user. To use RXL, you need to install RXL add-in. After installing this software, go to plugin and connect it to the server. This server which is already connected in ours is used to connect R to Excel and run in the background. This adding in Microsoft Excel can be used to transfer data between R and Excel in both direction using array and data form, and put R variable can be used to get data frame from R to Excel. You can go to add-in RXL and use this function to generate data frame. We can run code directly using run code, but here we are writing macro to call R to perform calculation. Since in this project we are using neural network and logistic regression, which take a lot of time to run, so I'm going to demonstrate this with an example which is very simple to run. This example is for adding two numbers. We put numbers here 2 and 3, and this button will call VBA code macro, which will link to the R to get the addition of these two numbers. It's already here in our Excel, so we'll demonstrate it again. See here we are getting a 5. This is a code in the background. We can go in a view macro demo 1 to see the Visual Basic code. Our interface dot start R server is used to connect the server from Excel to R, and our interface rrun will run this code in the R without us seeing it, and our interface dot get array will get the get values from R to Excel and store it here. Moving forward, objective of this project is to predict how likely a user is to click an advertisement present on a web page. This main page is a main GUI for this project. It contains buttons to import data, run data mining algorithm to generate model, use this model to predict new data and output. Training data is used to import training data. Click on this button and dialog box will open. Browse and select your file. It will read CVS file and store data in one of the Excel sheet which is executable in R. We are not running the data mining algorithms here, as we said it is taking a lot of time. Similarly, the test data and prediction data can be imported using test data and a prediction. We can see the sample of a data too by clicking on this button. This sample data contains the attributes we are using for our algorithm. Display ID is the collection of, since this project is for predicting the click or no click by a user for a particular ad. So the attributes is the browsing behavior of a user, and the ad features, such as display IDs is an ID of a collection of an ad which is given to a particular user according to its browsing behavior. Ad ID is ID of an ad. It has characteristic. It is recognized by topic ID and a particular category of an ad. Document ID is a ID of a documents. It can be a news, it can be a travel website. Platform is a platform from where we are browsing a given website, such as laptops, tablet. Similarly, a traffic source is a source from which this website is visited. For example, a social network or directly. And finally, the clicked or no clicked is the outcome. One is for if the advertisement is clicked, and 0 if the advertisement is not clicked. So our data mining algorithm performs two tasks. First, it is used to predict which ad to be viewed on which website, and second task is to predict if the predicted ad will be clicked or not. We are using neural network for task 1 and logistic regression for task 2. We can see code here by clicking on this button. So this is the code we are using in our project. This code is for the neural network. We are using misclassification error as a model performance, and for the logistic regression we are using ROC misclassification and a k-mean to predict our model performance. So after storing the data and seeing the code, we can run the data mining algorithms. But since the algorithm is taking a lot of time here, so we are not going to demonstrate here. We can generate a model by clicking on generate model link and predict values, and after generating a model we can use that to predict the values for predicted data, for the data to be predicted. Now since we are already generated the model and stored here, we can see our model. So by clicking on this link, this page will appear, and this contains data. This contains model for the neural network. So neural network contain 3 layers. First is an input layer, which is input of our data. Second is a hidden layer. Generally is a hidden layer, but we are showing for the purpose of this project. This contains the weight of each attributes, and final is the result, which is here is a clicked or not clicked. Similarly, the second model which we get is for the logistic regression, and this gives the weight of different attributes as an outcome. We are interpreted the result using deviation and the residual deviance. ROC plot is used to see if our model is good for prediction or not. So finally, with having our with this generated model, we will use to predict the values. We can use the click prediction button to see all the predicted values. Now we will get the predicted values after neural network. So it will give the result of the neural network will give the displayed against the display ID ads which is to be showed to a particular user. The sequence of ad is in increasing order of the probability. This result will be used as a input for the logistic regression, which will then predict if the particular ad is clicked or not. So this concludes our project. Thanks for watching.